Hi friends, this is Saran. So as a part of CCA 131 playlist, we will see how to install Cloudera Manager server and agents. So let me go on to my machine and before that I need to um, get the file URL. Uh, this one minute. So go to archive.cloudera.com and then cm5 and in that there is a installer folder, um, like you can choose 5.12.0 and then Cloudera Manager installer bin file. You can right click and copy link address and then go to your machine, clear, then wget, paste this URL and it is downloaded now. Just type ll. So there it is, Cloudera Manager installer bin file, and this is required to install the Cloudera Manager packages. So first let me add the execute permission for this particular file. Chmod execute Cloudera Manager installer bin file, and if you type ll, so there it is. So execute permission got added, and what I need to do is um, like simply stars dot slash um, Cloudera Manager installer dot bin. So if you hit enter, you will get a web UI. I would say it's a terminal UI. Okay, so hit enter. The installer must be run as a root. Okay, no problem. So let me log in as a root, sudo su hyphen root, and cd um, home ec2 user, and there it is. So I'm going to run this command now, and you will get a UI like this. Hit next and hit next. Accept the license, yes. Oracle license agreement, next. Accept the license and yes. So now it will automatically download and install the required Cloudera Manager packages. Since this is a AWS server, it will install it very fast. The download speed and the installation speed will be very high because we have a powerful 16 GB server, 16 GB RAM server with nearly 4 virtual CPUs. So this will take some time. I'm going to pause the recording, and it is currently the installation going to get complete. By default, it will install an embedded database called PostgreSQL, and once the installation gets over, it will prompt and it will say like this: point your web browser to the host name of the machine and then 7180, which is the default port number, and then admin. So that is the username and password uh, for my Cloudera manager. So I'm going to make use of them. So it will take some time in order to um, get this home page. So let me go to my page. Just a moment. You can even copy this public DNS or the public IP, HTTP and colon 7180. If you see, um, now you got the web UI like this. So, which means your Cloudera Manager installation is successful. So all the packages got downloaded and Cloudera Manager installation is successful now. So this concludes um, the Cloudera Manager installation of this module, which is install Cloudera Manager server and agents. So what I'm going to do is, in addition to this server, I'm going to provision 3 more servers in AWS, and I'm going to run all the commands, whatever I've done in the previous videos, and then I'm going to prepare it ready. Then only we can easily add it to our cluster. Okay, so before that, I think adding a nodes to the cluster, we can see it on the next video. That way, it would be more meaningful. All right. So this concludes um, installation of Cloudera Manager um, server and then agents. So in the next video, we can see install CDH using Cloudera Manager. All right. So if you like this video, hit a like button, and if you want to subscribe, please go ahead so that you will get notified on the future videos of this series. Then if you would like to share it, please go ahead and share it and spread it to them, like those who would like to perform the certification of CCA 131. All right. And yeah, that's all for this section. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.